Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at that IBEX 450 from CF Moto. I've got two products here. I'm trying to make a decision on which one I'm going to use on this thing. I've got a Tell Tidy Eliminator kit and the Tusk Fender Eliminator kit here. I don't know which one to go with. Now, I know there's probably some of you out there that are like, why are you getting rid of all this? You're going to have all the protection from the mud and all that flipping up. I don't know. It's just in my nature, I guess, to get rid of all that stuff and tuck things up very nice and tight. So at this point, I don't know which one I'm going to go with. I'm going to unbox both of them and kind of get a good idea on what each one's going to look like. Have you guys installed either one? Let me know your thoughts. Post up in the comments below what you think, or should I just leave it stock? Both items are going to be available at Big Pine Sports. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. I have no idea yet what this process is going to look like. I don't know which brand I'm going to go with, but needless to say, I think one of them is going to happen, and it's going to happen tonight. Stay tuned, everybody.